Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, child safety locks, passenger airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.